Have you ever needed to design 50 flyers, 100 certificates, or 200 social media posts? And you sat there thinking, how am I going to do this one by one? Let me show you a tool inside Canva that does the work for you automatically. It is called Canva Bulk Create. Canva Bulk Create allows you to design once, and then Canva will automatically create hundreds or even thousands of designs for you using a simple list or spreadsheet. So instead of typing names one by one or changing prices one by one or editing posts one by one, Canva does everything for you in seconds. So with Canva Bulk Create, you can connect Canva to a table of information like names, phone numbers, product price, student lists, or social media posts. So let me show you. Let's get started. So I'll come here. I'll come to social media posts first. I'll come social media posts. Let me come and I want to design Instagram quotes. So I'll click on this Instagram 4x5. Okay. So this is it. And I'll come to design here. I'll click on design and I'll click on quotes, inspirational quotes. This, I'll click on this and I'll look for a sample. I'll look for one that I love, one with quote and name. So, okay, so I'll continue to look for one. So I think I love this. So we are going to be using this. So I can change the background. So this is, I can choose to change background. So if I want to change background, what I'll do is I'll just right click, come to info, see more like this. See more like this, and a lot is going to come out. So it's bringing it out. So, okay. So, but mine is going to be on weight loss. So why not, so this is another one. I can choose this. I'll just right click, replace as background, you see? But now, since my own is on weight loss, I'll just click on weight loss, elements or pictures. Elements. So let's what it's going to give us. So I'll go to photos. Okay. So this is it. Let me choose this. So I'm going to right click and replace as background. So this, then I will change this color to black because I want it to, then my text, I'll change it to white because I want people to be able to see. Then I'll come here, I'll make sure I'll see the transparency. So yeah, so I'll increase the transparency a little. Okay. So like, then if I want another shape, all I have to do is click on this, come to these 3 dots, go to info and look for see more like this. You see a lot of them. So you can choose to change the shape that is there. You see it now, a lot of them. So let's continue. So I'll just name this weight loss coach, weight loss quotes for Nigerian women or woman, anyone. So that's it. So I've saved it. Okay. Then I'll just make sure this is a little big. A little big, and I can equally adjust it so that if the text is longer, you see it now. Okay. So we are good to go. Okay. So this is it. So I'll just put it in. Okay. Now I can change the fonts. Let's change the fonts. I'll use this. Okay. I won't group it. This one, the space is too much. I'll reduce the space. Line spacing. Okay. 1.19 is okay. Then this, I'll change the space. I'll change it. Let's change it. Let's change the fonts. I'm changing it to the same thing. So let's continue. So let's get started. So I'm done with this. So I will now come back to home. I'll close this and I'll go to Sheets. Then I'll come here. I'll come to Action and look for Magic Write. So it's still loading. Magic Write. I'll look for Magic Write. Let's look for Magic Write. This is Magic Write here. Then I'll enter my prompts. I'll just paste it. I have my prompt here. So that is it. Then I'll click on this submit button. 50 quotes for social media post on weight loss for Nigerian woman. So, okay. So then I'll insert. Then I'll come here. I'll drag so that there will be no space for the text. And I'll come to cell B. I'll click on cell B. I'll drag. Since I'm weight loss coach, I'll enter weight loss coach. Or Kike Lomo, my name. Kike Lomo. Olaniyo. Weight loss coach or something. Then remember to please save this. Weight loss. Weight loss quotes for Nigerian women. Nigerian woman. Let's use woman. Okay. So that then this one, I'll come here. I'll drag it. I'm copying everything. So I'll bring it down. Okay. Okay. So this is it. Then I'll come to center. Then this one, so I'll click on here and I'll come to center. Okay. So all I'll do now is I'll just, on my system, I'll just select all, Control A. Yes. I'll come to action. I'll come to bulk rate. I'll look for bulk rates. Okay. You see it now? So are we up to, is it up to 100? We are not using up to 100. So, okay. So we are using up to B50. B50. Okay. So continue. I'll click on continue. Then this is my design. I'll click on my design. I'll be choosing my design. The design I'll be using. Still loading. Okay, so this is it. So I'll just come here. I will right click, connect data, the first one. Then connect data, my name. The second one, connect data, my name. So, okay, so let's just bring this one down a little. Okay, and let's try and reduce this a little. Okay. Just make sure, go to position and centralize it. Go to position and make sure you centralize it. Okay, make sure it's center. Make sure this one is also center. Okay. So let's continue. So you now come to advance. One design with multiple page. That's what you want. Okay. So create two designs. So let's go. So let's go. So let's view the folder. So let's see it. So let's click on it. Here we are. We have 49 different codes. 49 at once. So let's see. It is loading. Okay, so this is it. Small changes every day leads to big results. You are your only competition, and this is it. You see it now? So it's still loading. Okay, so you see now? You see? Strong Nigerian woman, don't give up. They grow stronger with every challenge. You see it now? So let me show you. Let's see all the 39. So you see now, all the 49, you see? Replace I can't. We replace I can't with I will, and watch the change unfold. Your strength as a Nigerian woman is unmatched, and let it shine in your journey. You see it now? You see it? 49 complete social media post that is ready for you to post. So please practice your own. Don't forget to subscribe, please, and continue to practice. It's very, very important for you so that you can get to know more about Canva